There has been a stampede at the Allahabad railway station. You can see there are bodies lying over here. There are people who are breathing and they're trying to be revived, but there is absolutely no medical help over there from them. I can see at least close to 10 to 15 bodies right at the platform, and even some of them on the staircase. And these people are saying that these people were perhaps alive, and had medical help reached them, then perhaps they could have been saved. ये कैसे हुई भगदड़?
ये लाठी चार्ज हुआ, उसके बाद फिर वो पब्लिक भागे, वो सारे टकरा गए, उसी के ऊपर वो स्लिप हो गए और सारे की जान गई। और 2.5 घंटे हो गए, इसका कोई कार्रवाई।
तो कितनी देर पहले हुआ ये?
2 घंटा हो गया, 2.5 घंटा हो गया, डॉक्टर नहीं आया, डॉक्टर नहीं कहा।
This girl over here, her relatives claim she's still alive, but sir, what are you getting? What kind of help are you getting these people? क्या help दिला रहे? There are no doctors here, sir. What are you trying to do? Just tell us what you're trying to do.
हॉस्पिटल इसको क्यों नहीं पहुंचाया जा रहा? 2 घंटे से मैं खड़ा हूँ यहाँ, और 2 घंटे से मैं रोज हर एक आदमी।
Now members of the Northern Central Railway have come, and now perhaps they're trying to help these girls, this girl over here. But this is a tragic ending to an event where these people had come from far off. आप लोग कहाँ से आए थे? कौन है आपके साथ?
बक्सर से आयल बाड़ी जा रामबाग पे से है का उनकर आदमी बड़न पति हमारी के बेरारू है, पति हम बहन है, अबर बहन है।
आपकी बहन है?
हाँ, हमारी बहन है, बक्सर से आयल बन रामबाग में से।
ये कैसे हुआ? यहाँ पे किस वजह से हो गया ये यहाँ सब इतना?
पुलिस वाला डंडा मारने लगा, एक पहिया की इधर से भी खोल दिया, उधर से भी खोल दिया, दोनों तरफ से दबा दिया, डंडा मारने लगा।
These people claim that they were lathi charged, and because of which this stampede happened. Well, these are scenes which are very tragic indeed, and we are trying to make sense of what has happened here. Railway officials are here. They are trying to perhaps take control of the situation. Sir, what happened here? What happened here? What happened here? How did this stampede happen? Why was there no crowd management over here?
ये हम नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, हम लोगों को यह मालूम हुआ, ऐसे अनाउंसमेंट हुआ, कैसा हो गया, हम लोग आए हैं यहाँ पर, लगे हुए हैं।
Now, Mr. Rajendra Singh, you are of Allahabad administration. ये बताइए, ये यहाँ पे क्यों सही तरीके से क्राउड मैनेजमेंट नहीं हुआ? ये लोगों की जाने क्यों गई यहाँ पे?
ये हम लोग तो गाड़ी में बैठा रहे, जितना हम लोग सज्ञान में नहीं है।
2 घंटे में कई 4-5 मरीज मर गए, चिल्लाते रहे, हॉस्पिटल ले जाने को कोई नहीं था। ये बताइए 2 घंटे तक हॉस्पिटल क्यों नहीं पहुंचाया गया मरीजों को?
अभी तक कोई भी यहाँ पे मुझे डॉक्टर या कोई दिख नहीं रहा है जो इन मरीजों का इलाज। कौन है डॉक्टर यहाँ पे? कहाँ है? Well, he claims that there is a doctor here. Sir, let's just try and speak to the doctor. Sir, who's helping these people? There's some of them who are breathing. I mean, they're really trying to survive this incident. Sir, it's been almost 2 hours.
कुछ बंदे को जिंदा उतारे, सामने दम तोड़ दिए।
It's been almost 2 hours, sir. Why have these bodies not been removed? Why have people who are badly injured have not been given any medical aid? Well, the doctors have no answers right now, but this is indeed a very tragic end to something that many of these people were looking forward to come to the Ganga to take a holy dip. But tragedy unfolding at the Allahabad railway station with several of these pilgrims who had come here to take a dip at the Kumbh. With camera person Ramesh Verma and Manvendra Pratap Singh, Anand Zanane for NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.